Hello! Let us introduce mluvii feature Hero Cards. In the video, we'll show you 3 possible ways of using these interactive forms that will improve your communication with customers and simplify the sales process. You can customize Hero Cards fields and options to suit your needs.
The first type of use is easy receiving of customers' agreement. You can use it, for example, as a replacement for the entry form, so you can attract more customers to conversation. Also, you can use it to make your customers agree with terms and conditions of your service. The agent can easily select which hero card he wants to send to the client during the conversation. The customer can then approve the specific deed by clicking on the confirm button directly in the card or decline it. Hero cards can also be used for customer identification. Name, phone number, or other personal information may be pre-filled by the agent in the agent's interface. Or the client may have filled it in by himself. Both the customer and the agent can change the data in the card. All changes will immediately appear in the chat card. Once the card is ready, the client will confirm the completed data. The card may also be confirmed by the agent. You will also appreciate hero cards while having a sales session. Hero cards enable both the customer and the agent live collaboration over the form and edit specific fields. For example, in the case of a loan, the agent may edit individual details right in the shared card. Again, the information in the card can be confirmed by both the agent and the client. The client can write in selected fields or choose from a list of offered options.
We've shown you a few examples of using hero cards, and we believe that other new ways will come into life in your call centers and with your customers. Want to know more about hero cards? Please contact us at helpdesk@mluvii.com or directly at our website mluvii.com. Thank you, bye!